It was a deadly confrontation under a track team tent that lasted only moments and would set off a chain of events that would dominate headlines for more than a year.
I got the alleged suspect in handcuffs right now, detained.
April 2nd, 2025, at Kirkendall Stadium in Frisco, Austin Metcalf, a junior at Memorial High School, was stabbed and within hours pronounced dead.
Karmelo Anthony, class of 2025.
Another student from Centennial, Karmelo Anthony, was arrested the same day for murder.
I got a phone call from Hunter.
A day later, the Metcalf family, including Austin's twin brother, spoke with us.
Just because the kid was mad, my son is not here anymore, and I don't understand it. His brother's lost his best friend.
It's just really heartbreaking to see someone that cares for you that much and does everything, even by your side, no matter what, just pass away like that.
April 14th, Karmelo Anthony's bond is reduced from $1 million to $250,000. He was escorted from jail and released under house arrest with an ankle monitor.
Explain your self-defense.
A case already combustible just went nuclear.
There's two sides to every story, and we've only heard one side.
We have endured death threats.
April 17th, the Anthony family speaks for the first time at a press conference. Austin's father, Jeff Metcalf, also shows up.
Is a disrespect to the dignity of his son.
And is escorted out by Dallas police.
We believe in legal process, and that is where the truth will come out. To the family who experienced the loss, my heart truly goes out to you.
April 23rd, police confirm reports of threats, fake deliveries, fake calls for service at both Metcalf and Anthony homes. 2 days later, the FBI is looking into doxing claims. The judge who lowered the bond, her private information was illegally released online. June 9th, the school district won't release surveillance video from the incident, but allowed us to watch it at their district building. For the first time, a glimpse into the incident and the response. June 24th, a grand jury indicts Karmelo Anthony on a murder charge. District Attorney Greg Willis says the death penalty was never on the table.
That would not be something that we could do even if we wanted to.
July 9th, Judge John Roach of the 296th District Court sets trial for 2026. July 24th, the court orders a subpoena of the school district and critical investigative information. The district sends letters home to families and students who may be witnesses to the event.
If you were to ask any superintendent in the state, that's probably their worst nightmare.
Days later, July 29th, the judge imposes a gag order for both sides. No one connected to the trial can speak on it publicly. September 5th of last year, Memorial takes the football field in honor of Austin Metcalf. His number 11 spells out all in. His father, under a gag order, signs, "I love you," to his son. Early 2026 saw routine trial events, pre-trial motions, most out of public view. In April of this year, Judge Roach issues strict courtroom rules for trial: no cameras, limited seating, and heightened security. Which brings us to June 1st, the beginning of jury selection, the beginning of the real criminal trial that is much talked about and for many already decided in the court of public opinion. The scrutiny is as high as the stakes. Karmelo Anthony faces life in prison. For two families, the timeline doesn't end here. In Collin County, I'm Jobin Puniker.
Our team coverage with expert analysis begins tomorrow morning. You can follow along on WFAA+, which is free to download to your TV.